St. Mary's is only like 107 miles from our house, but the way we went, it was 130. This time up, we took a lot of nice backcountry roads. In fact, we didn't even go on Highway 17 or 95 on the way up. About a mile, or maybe 2 miles before our motel, they do have a liquor store, so you don't have to pack it. That big house right there is Orange Hall, and they give tours. We took a tour later. This will be our hotel for 2 nights here. It'll be Saturday night, Sunday night, and we'll be heading back home Monday. This gives you an idea what it looks like around here. And then let's go on up here and go inside. Inside, you'll see the pictures of these 3 women a few times. They were 3 sisters that at one time owned the motel. Now at nighttime, we spent quite a few hours out on this balcony. And normally when we were out there was a nice breeze and we just had a good time cutting up. Ed's drilling them about the burgers.
How's the gumbo? Was it pretty good?
The gumbo is pretty good.
Okay.
No, let's try it.
And that's our motel over there. And that's Shark Bites where we're eating at. Now it's Saturday. We just got done getting something to eat, and we're walking around. We're on foot and exploring. And I think this is where we also go to Orange Hall. This was the only drinking water until the tidal wave of 1818. You can go to the visitor center and get a map of all these neat places to check out. After his death, that's what these trees were planted for.
The 4, right? Now it's just in
Now this is Orange Hall, and we're going here right now because they close very soon. And we went ahead and took the tour. It was pretty neat, and there was a lot more about the tour here, but I wasn't going to put it on the video. You're going to have to go check it out yourself.
Tell them that this picture, if you take a picture of the picture, there's often seen an apparition of a French soldier inside of it. They say that, people are like, well, why French? It's not time period, but I was just wondering, so I didn't get much done.
It really looks like a junior ranger there.
Then almost directly across the street's the visitor center, or the welcome center, and they had this neat exhibit of radios and everything.
Stereo.
Stereo? Weren't that all AMs?
I used to have something.
The Revolutionary War didn't start till 1776. Actually, it was a year before that. But
So, this is the second oldest city in the United States.
I did not know that.
Huh. St. Augustine being one.
How about
Well, maybe
that?
some
I
of
want to go to that
Andre's
graveyard. It's
family
got
were
some
here.
really cool stuff.
Yeah, I had no idea that this was the second oldest city in America. That surprised me. But anyway, we had a nice little walk to make it to this graveyard right here, and there's one of Andre's last names on that tombstone. But we had a blast checking all this out. Wow, it's already Sunday morning. What? Yeah, I'm going to straighten up. Now, Jekyll Island, it's only like 50 some miles away. So what are we going to do today for a nice little Sunday ride? Here we're on US 17 and we're enjoying it. The radio's cranked up and we're doing our ride. Yep, this is another back road Marcia found. I'll tell you, check these trees out. Got some neat pictures of these neat little trees, and here's a little bit of video going by. I gotta say, it's a beautiful bridge. One problem, I don't like heights.
Whoa, how much for motorcycle? $6. $6 for motorcycle? Yes. Wow, how much for a car?
This is neat right here. Of course, Ed's trying to convince me that that bridge ain't that bad. But this is the fishing center in the north part of the island. I gotta say, if you're into fishing and kayaking, this is a pretty neat place. I'm still kind of stuck on that $6 a motorcycle, but once I got over that, I was having fun. That guy has been fighting that fish, I think, the whole time we were here visiting. But on the other side there, the St. Simon's Island. Now, this is cool here. Not only were the roads really neat, but in just a minute, when I turn the camera the other way, you're going to see a buck. Look at the deer. This is where we ate at, and we're kind of exploring for some overnight trips now. After we left the Harley shop, we got back on 17, and then we just took that all the way to 40 and went back to the motel. No, say it ain't so. Monday morning, time to head back home. Me and Marcia, we already packed up. We're just kind of walking around, taking the sights in one more time. And shortly here we'll be having breakfast, and then we'll be heading on towards home. Nope, we won't be going home right away. Marcia don't want to go home. We're doing the long way today. Get ready for the long way. We'll probably make another web page of this trip. Hey, ain't that a neat site right there? And that's with my phone. But we got an old web page here also where we made this trip a few years back. And I'll put a link on it to get to the old page where we went to Cumberland Island and everything.
Where is breakfast?
I found today another meal I like for breakfast. I like sausage, gravy, and biscuits, and they put a patty on there and an egg with the gravy. It's great, man. Well, it's time to say goodbye to St. Mary's. And man, now every time I see this video, I'm going to think about them sausage and biscuits right there at that restaurant. But time to go ahead and fill them up and point them south. St. Mary's is not far from Fernandina Beach. I mean, when I look down, we'd only traveled 30 miles and we're in Fernandina Beach. I think it's something like 10 or 10:30. I know one thing. At this time, parking is real easy to find. Now on this trip I am using 3 different cameras. I got my GoPro, which is on the helmet you pretty well know. Then I got my Sony camcorder. That's the one I shoot back, front, by the road, everything. And then I got my phone, and this is the phone.
All right, girls, where we
here. And the reason I got the phone is a lot of times while we're on the road, I'll put out Facebook video. Little 2-minute clips of where we're at and what we're doing, and this is one of them. But there's been a few in this video so far.
What is it? Oh, how cute. You got girls having fun? Go ahead, baby.
I think this is one of the first times we didn't go to the Palace Saloon. We always do. I guess because it's kind of early right now.
Every other day, every other day, every other day of the week is fine, yeah. But whenever Monday comes, you can find me crying all of the time.
I better run.
Monday, can't trust that day. Monday.
It is definitely getting hot.
Now, this hotel right there, that's a pretty nice hotel. We spent 2 nights there quite a few years ago. And before that, when we had our boat, we spent 1 or 2 nights out here in Fernandina Beach at the marina.
It's here to stay. Oh, Monday.
All right, far enough. It is hot. Air conditioner isn't working. And we came from almost somewhere in that direction.
From St. Mary's.
Look at that fish. That bird just got him.
Over here somewhere.
Looks like destroyers with it.
Yeah, probably a group. Now here we're in Jacksonville. We're crossing the St. John's by the Mayport Ferry here.
What's that?
Now this is where we're going to stop the video. We're in Palatka at Beef O'Brady's, and we're going to eat there. We only are about an hour from Gainesville from here, and had nice weather. Had nice weather except for where we made our left for the last half a mile coming to our house. We got soaked. But until next time, and Thunder Beach is coming up soon. I just wanted to take a break working on that Nova Scotia video and get another video out here. See you on the road.